Alright, I wanted to quickly address another order of operations problem that I'm seeing a lot of people get wrong here, but it's 80 plus 9 times 0 plus 7 plus 7 equals what? What does that equal? And I've seen a variety of answers on this. I've seen answers like 14. There's a lot of people out there that are adding 80 and plus 9 and then multiplying 89 times 0 and then adding 7 and 7 and getting 14. And that, unfortunately, guys, is incorrect. You would have to have parentheses around the addition. You'd have to have parentheses around 80 plus 9 in order to multiply those by 0. The only thing that's multiplied by 0 in this problem is 9. It's 9 times 0, and then you add everything else, so it's pretty simple. The fact is, multiplication has always had precedence over addition and subtraction, for that matter, without parentheses. Parentheses are not needed. I've had somebody argue with me earlier today and say, well, you'd have to have parentheses around the 9 times 0. Without parentheses, you just solve left to right. That's never been true, and I'm sorry, but no, your teachers did not teach you that. I'm actually standing up for your teachers. I don't believe your teachers were as incompetent as you think. Nobody taught that. That was never taught. Multiplication is literally defined as repeated addition. It's always had precedence over addition and subtraction. We've gone through this in other videos if you've followed along at all, and it's pretty clear. Another answer that I'm seeing a lot is people are taking 80 and then they're taking 9 times 0 and they're getting 9, believe it or not. So then they're getting 89. 89 plus 7 is, what is that, 96? And then 96 plus 7, they're getting 103. They believe that 9 times 0 is 9. 9 times 0 is not 9.